Holy Stone GPS drone with 4K camera for adults. Hs175D RC quadcopter with auto return, follow me, brushless motor, circle fly, waypoint fly, altitude hold, headless mode, 46 minutes long flight. 4K ultra clear camera, 4K camera with 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable, provides a high-resolution picture, enabled to capture a perfect shot. 5 GHz FPV transmission delivery, a smooth and stable videos even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. GPS auto return, GPS assisted flight. It can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power. Never have to worry about flying it away. Better flight experience. 2 batteries give you up to 46 minutes flight experience. And functions like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, 1 key takeoff/landing and speed adjust make it so easy to beginners or newbies.